I don't consider companies that just promise high commissions as our competition. Why? At Atomy, a true leader is someone who helps their partners succeed. Let me break this down. A real leader cares more about money going into their partners' bank accounts than their own. So listen up. Partners and sponsors need to meet at least once a month to rewrite their life scenario. When writing this life scenario, there are 4 key areas to focus on. You must strive to achieve a balanced life by living, loving, learning, and contributing. You need to map out details like how financially comfortable do you want to be? What knowledge do you want to pursue? How will you raise your children? How will you care for your parents? How will you support your relatives? You need to write these details in your life scenario and visualize them in your mind every single day. Imagine this scenario playing in your mind like a movie. And not just any movie, but a vision so exciting that you'd go crazy thinking about it. A vision that keeps you up at night with its potential. You need to define a vision that makes you go crazy. It's about time traveling to the future, creating a movie of the life you want to live, and then bringing that future vision back to the present as a tool for success. At Atomy, declaring your vision is crucial. To achieve that vision, you must tirelessly serve your partners. Atomy is a business that supports partner success around the clock. Every leader should shout, "I will create Imperial Masters. Make Imperial." I hope each of you becomes a genuine, authentic leader who values your partner's success even more than your own success. I started Atomy with a goal of reaching 100 trillion Korean won in sales and lasting 100 years. Amway is at 10 trillion Korean won, which means we can grow at least 10 times more. I created Atomy with this specific vision. My confidence comes from 3 things: the company, our products, and our pricing. Atomy's quality is like automotive grade. Atomy's prices are unbeatable. We are competitive and have high-quality, low-priced products because of my 17 years of experience in the auto parts industry. I've been innovating the cosmetics industry, revolutionizing the shampoo sector, and transforming the health food market with the skills I've honed over these 17 years. This is why you can trust Atomy. Now, labor costs might rise, raw material prices might increase, and prices everywhere might go up. Atomy's supply prices may also need to adjust. But here's the key. We'll raise prices less than other companies and raise it later than other companies. This way, Atomy can maintain its current competitive edge. So, do you need to worry? No! What about new network marketing companies emerging? Some of you might worry if they might do better than Atomy. But don't worry. I don't see companies offering high commissions as competition. Why? Because high commissions inevitably mean lower quality and higher prices. As a result, customers won't make repeat purchases, and such companies are bound to fail. If a company could potentially sell better and cheaper products than Atomy, we'd be concerned. But so far, no such company exists, and I don't believe such a company will emerge. At best, they might match Atomy, but no company can outperform us. I'm already planning for potential future competitors in our pricing and quality management. So, you can absolutely believe in Atomy's 100-year vision.